Hi guys, landed at Central Texas Harley-Davidson. Got Worm here. This is the 128 build that we finished a couple months ago. Told you we would release some dyno numbers. The bike did really well. We're really happy with it. Turned out to be a square motor, which is what you're looking for. You want to have very comparable horsepower and torque. So Worm, tell us what all we did to this thing.
So we started off with the Fuel Moto kit, did their pistons, their headwork,
Adjustable push rods.
adjustable push rods, Bobby Woods 408 lift cam.
Which turned out to be a great cam, by the way. Great cam.
Ames light force, slave cylinder, Ames variable clutch assist, the Trask chain conversion, and then we did some little minor Harley mods as far as cosmetics.
Yeah, sent the heads out to have them kicked up a little bit, added a millimeter to each valve. You get great flow on these Milwaukee 8 heads, and that just adds to it. We're really happy with it. We will show you the video of the dyno and post the numbers at the end of the video. So this is something we do all the time. Please give us a call if you would like your bike tuned, if you want a motor upgrade, even if you want to take your stock bike up one more notch. Give us a call here in Round Rock, 512-652-1200. And while you're on the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you can get notified when we post more items. Thank you very much.
Where all your dreams can come true.
Listen to him.
I just stand in here?
Or you can do your normal stuff. So we can go with that? Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys, Landon with Central Texas Harley-Davidson. We got Worm here with us today. This is the 131 build that we didn't know it's 128 build.
No, this is 131.
Okay, all right.
128's on the red button.
Okay, sorry. Okay.